Hi, today I would like to introduce the splash screen interface, login interface, and the registration interface of my Gardeneous mobile application. First of all, I would like to talk about my splash screen interface. The splash screen, I have put my Gardeneous logo in the middle and the linear progress indicator bar. So, after loading the progress indicator bar, the next interface will be shown is login interface. However, I would like to talk about the registration interface first. So below the sign in, we have prepared words is don't have an account, sign up. This line is to let the new user to sign up an account. So user can press it. So the next interface will appear is the registration interface. The registration interface consists of several details to allow user to fill in their username, email, phone number, and their password. So I will try to fill in first. Okay. If user has entered any invalid format that is not suitable, the system will pop up a message invalid email to let user to change it. So before it, okay, I will put the registration button, and this is a confirmation dialog will appear to alert user that are they sure to register your account, and press yes, because below I haven't agreed to the term and condition, so it will appear a toast please agree term and condition. So we have pressed term and conditions, that will appear the end user license agreements of Gardeneous. So we appear it to let user to read about it before they create an account. Okay, so I close it. I press I agree to the term and conditions and register, and this time I will be click yes. So it will say registration success as email can be sent to my money@gmail.com. Okay, so in my PHP admin, after I have successful registration, so it will appear name, email, phone number, and the date of registration, and the OTP, which is random number. So I will like to refresh my Gmail. So I will get an email in few minutes or seconds. Okay, so now I would like to talk about some sign-in screen first. So sign-in screen is we have let user to enter their email, password, and login. So if they didn't enter anything, so it's login fail because we don't have anything, so it don't let user to login. Okay. So okay, now we have get an email verification. So when they press the link, it will say your email has been verified, and we can find it in the server. The OTP section will become 0, so user can be signed in to this mobile application. Okay, so I will try to sign in. Right. And press login. It will show login successful and direct to the main page. So thank you. That's all from